BV Yama, this question has been a part of our conversation, seriously or otherwise, for decades at this point. But this is not even the crazy part. What's crazy to me is how, without any discussion or conversation, it is simply implied that for a woman, the family that brought her into the world or raised her will not be as important as the one that she's married into. His family will become her primary family. And it is made sure that she knows this because since day one she's told that वो तो पराया धन है, एक दिन किसी और के घर चली जाएगी और किसी और के घर की लक्ष्मी बनेगी. And thus begins the transition that no one talks about. She will not be able to celebrate Diwali in her Maika. She will no longer have the privilege of being there for her parents through emergencies. She will simply be informed about them. She'll be treated as a guest. Her room will be refurbished into a guest room. And when she does get to come back to the home that she called her own for the first 25 years of her life, she will have to come back with a deadline कि इस डेट से पहले तो मुझे ससुराल जाना ही पड़ेगा. What's fascinating is how this entire arrangement places the man at the center of everybody's world. The son's parents are not just expected to be his primary family but hers as well, while she leaves her family behind and becomes a part of his world. The family home will be where he is. The traditions will continue in his surname, and the emotional, physical, logistical adjustments will be made by the woman. In so many ways, marriage is designed as a transition for the woman and not the man. Like a Bollywood movie where everything runs around the hero, while the heroine and everybody else is just a supporting character. And because the system has existed for so long, we have stopped noticing or asking questions about how unequal it really is. We talk endlessly about who is more important for a man, his wife or his mother, but maybe the conversation needs to shift. Maybe the conversations have to be about whose family will we move into with, where will we stay, which festivals will be celebrated with whose family, maybe Diwali with the girl's family and Holi with the guys. Because isn't marriage supposed to be two people building their new world together instead of her simply moving into his world?